If you are running a business and you need to file various income tax forms like 15 CACB or tax audit report, or if you're a company and you need to file your income tax return, well, in all these cases, you need to sign the forms using a digital signature certificate. Now we all know that income tax website has migrated all the data from the old portal to the new portal with many glitches, and one of the glitch is that they could not transfer the digital signatures that had been registered at the old income tax portal because of technical and security reasons. So for all of you who were uploading various income tax forms at the income tax portal, you will now have to re-register your DSC afresh at the new income tax portal. But don't worry, in this tutorial we will tell you how you need to do it. So without further ado, let's begin. Hey there, I'm Sonia Davar, Chartered Accountant and Business Finance Coach, and on this channel we give you all the tips, tools and resources that you need to start and grow your profitable business, save lakhs of rupees on taxes and build your own wealth. And in this series, we are showing you all the tutorials that you need to use to migrate yourself at the income tax new portal easily, so that you can start making your income tax compliances properly. In today's episode, we will show you how you can register your DSC at the income tax portal, what are the errors that may come while you register your DSC at the income tax portal, how to resolve them, and many more. But before we begin the tutorial, there are 3 things that you need to keep in mind before you register your DSC. First, check that your DSC is a class 2 DSC, and second, check that the DSC is not expired, and third, you may need to update your user password at the DSC, which we will explain with you how you need to do it. This tutorial on a Windows PC. I'm not sure if it works on Mac, and I have tried it on Windows. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can register your DSC using a Windows PC. And so without further ado, let's get to my system and we can begin the tutorial. Let's begin. In order to register your DSC, you need to go to your web browser, and on Google you can type the new website address of income tax new portal, that is incometax.gov.in. Once you come at the income tax new portal, you need to log in at the button on the top right corner. Now here you need to update PAN and password, which you always used to use at the income tax new portal to log into your profile. I'm going ahead and updating my user ID, which is the PAN card, and I will click on continue. This will take you to the password screen where it will ask you to confirm the secure message, and it will ask you to update your password. If you don't have the option to log into income tax portal using your other OTP, you can verify our separate tutorial on how you can activate this option at updating your profile level. So I will link to that video in this video, and or you can also check in the description. For this one, I am updating my profile and I am clicking on continue. Once you log in, it will take you to a welcome to e-profile page, and once you scroll down on this particular page, you will see an option to update profile. Click on update profile. On the left hand side menu, there will be many options for you to update your profile, and one of the options is to register your DSC. Once you come to register digital signature page, it will ask you to click here to download mSigner utility. You need to click on that. So a file will download, and then click on the file, show in folder, and run the application. It will ask you to browse the location where you want to save this. It will automatically create a desktop shortcut for you. Click on next and then click on install. Once the installation finishes, it will ask you to finish, and then you can close this particular folder. And you can see on your desktop, you will see an mSigner utility over here. Click on this, and here it will ask you to update this utility. Click on download and install. Once the installation is complete, it will ask you to finish. Check again, and now it does not show the update option. That means this application is ready to process. Once again, we'll go back to income tax portal, and now is the time where you have to insert your DSC utility into the system. It shows a message when you insert your DSC token. Now click on I have downloaded and installed mSigner utility because you just did. Continue. Now this should automatically pick the ePass token which you have inserted onto the computer and the certificate. And here you will need to update the 8-digit PIN that is associated with your digital signature certificate. I have updated everything, and then I will click on sign. Here it is giving me an error that token user PIN has to be changed. Let's see how we can change that. We need to go to all the applications that are installed here and then go to ePass token. Click on the ePass token here. On this page, it will ask you to change your user PIN. Here you can mention your old user PIN and then you can update and confirm the new PIN. After you have updated the PIN, let us cancel this and we will redo the selection. So I have downloaded and installed mSigner utility. Continue. Click on provider, select the certificate and enter your password which you have just updated. Now click on sign. So earlier it was giving me a message, but once I retried it, it has automatically picked up because everything was right at my DSC, and now my DSC is successfully registered. So if at times you get some message, you can retry and your DSC will be successfully registered. I hope you like this video, and if you find any value, do like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you will always be updated about our new content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.